All right, here is my water-cooled Porsche thermostat hack. If you don't have the tool and you don't want to buy the entire housing with the thermostat, get a pair of soft jaws for your vise. You can get these at Harbor Freight. They're cheap. They make them in brass, aluminum, and rubber. Rubber's good for this. You can get away with aluminum though. Catch it on the two flat spots here. So like that. Doesn't take a lot. About like that. You push down on this poppet. And these are snap-on. You can see that part of the plier part number. Anyways, you don't have to have snap-on. You can use, and they have the same one at a bunch of different, like Harbor Freight. So open it to the widest jaw setting. Push down on the poppet. That allows the pliers to get into that groove. Get a firm grip. Push down. That's it. To put it back in, you reverse taking it out. Pretty simple. That's my hack. Instead of having to buy, a housing with that from Porsche. I am using the L&N 160 degree thermostat. Don't know if I'm going to like it or not yet. Don't know how it's going to mess with the computer or any of that stuff. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how all that works out. And like, subscribe. Leave comments.